According to the National Electrical Code, NEC Section 250.102c provides guidance on sizing bonding jumpers for enclosures, subpanels, and other non-current carrying metal parts of equipment. These bonding jumpers connect these parts to the main bonding terminal or the grounding electrode system. The code specifies that the minimum size for these bonding jumpers is number 10 or number 12 American wire gauge, or copper. However, there are exceptions to this minimum size. Firstly, the bonding jumper cannot be smaller than the grounding conductor size required by Table 250.122 of the NEC. Secondly, it cannot be smaller than the supply side conductor of the largest branch circuit or feeder supplying the equipment. Table 250.122 dictates the minimum grounding conductor sizes based on the size of the supply side conductor. For example, if the supply side conductor is number 14 AWG, the minimum grounding conductor size is also number 14 AWG. If the supply side conductor is number 12 AWG, the minimum grounding conductor size is number 12 AWG. If the supply side conductor is number 10 AWG, the minimum grounding conductor size is number 10 AWG. If the supply side conductor is number 8 AWG, the minimum grounding conductor size is number 8 AWG. If the supply side conductor is number 6 AWG, the minimum grounding conductor size is number 6 AWG. If the supply side conductor is number 4 AWG, the minimum grounding conductor size is number 4 AWG. If the supply side conductor is number 3 AWG, the minimum grounding conductor size is number 2 AWG. If the supply side conductor is number 2 AWG, the minimum grounding conductor size is number 1 AWG. If the supply side conductor is number 1 AWG, the grounding conductor must be the same size. For supply side conductors of number 1/0 AWG or larger, the grounding conductor size must be calculated per Table 250.66. Therefore, to summarize, when selecting a bonding jumper for enclosure doors, subpanels, and so on, start with the minimum size of number 10 or number 12 AWG copper. Then, check Table 250.122 to see if the grounding conductor size required by that table is larger. If it is, the bonding jumper must be the same size as the grounding conductor indicated in the table. This ensures that the bonding jumper is adequately sized to provide a low impedance path for fault current, which is essential for safety and proper operation of overcurrent protective devices.